Hi, in this brief lesson, I'll just be showing you how to set up your account on Nearpod. And the first thing you need to do is to go to nearpod.com. Just type nearpod.com on any of your browsers, and it will bring you to the home page, just like what you see on my screen. So you choose from any of these options. I'm a teacher, so I'll be choosing teacher, the teachers option, sign up for free. And this account is limited to just 100 megabytes of storage. So it means that if you require additional space, you have to upgrade. Okay, so click on teacher. Then all you simply need to do is complete the form here. Tick the box and click on this to say you agree with the terms and conditions, and you click on sign up. Optionally, of course, you can use any of your existing accounts, and you just simply use any of these options here. I use Office 365, so I always go with Office 365. Now, because I already have an account, obviously it's just going to take me to my account option here, and all I need to do is just simply put in my login credentials, and it'll take me to my login. And of course, if you use Office 365 like I do, in some cases it may send you verification. It may require you to verify if it's your account. Okay, so this is my account, and if you're doing this for the first time, obviously you're not going to have all of these tabs on your page. You just have the explore the Nearpod library option. Yeah, I've been using this for a while. That's why I have several lessons here. I'll get to show you how to create your lesson in other lessons, in other tutorials. And just a quick overview of the interface. On the left, you've got your menus here, the reports. Here, of course, when you finish using running your lessons or doing an activity, you can get all your analytics from here. You get any information you want to put for your records to basically differentiate from, weak, strong, mid-level learners, and so on. And you can review your lessons and activities. Of course, this is where we're coming from, the Nearpod library. Sorry, if you click on that Nearpod library tab, which I just did, you can basically search for new lessons and so on. Okay, so it's just a quick overview. At the top here, you can just see a shortcut also to create your lessons, your video and activity, and a quick launch tab here. Okay, so the next lesson will be creating our first lesson, just simply clicking here and clicking on lesson. Okay, so see you in the next one.